What's up, y'all? Today on Primetime series, I'm gonna show y'all how to do a dye job. E, my man, let's get it. First things first, gotta get the gloves going. We're gonna put the cape on them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this neck strip. We're gonna flip it in half. Put it around the neck. We're gonna cuff it in, just like so. So I got my dye bowl. Now this just simply mixes with water. So we're gonna pour the water in. So first things first, the type of haircut that he gets is the one against the grain. So what I'm gonna do, I'm using my Andis BGR clippers. So I'm throwing the one blade on. And like always, you wanna sanitize your clippers, okay? Front, back, grab a new comb. I like to preserve his front lineup. So right now, I'm just gonna come right from the back. Now this is so easy that any of y'all could do this, I promise you. With the blade, you wanna keep it on their skin, on their head, and just go all the way around, scraping off that hair. So I'm scraping all that bottom, but again, his lineup's right here, but look it, I'm not touching none of that. This is all, now this is what I mean by going with the grain. So same thing over here. I'm only cutting a little bit of that hair just so it lays down and there's no long follicle hairs out sticking up. Now I'm gonna go to my Andis Masters clipper, and with this I'm gonna put the guard like in the middle, and I'm gonna go with the grain everywhere, and it's gonna clean up anything that I did miss, but it's gonna match it to the one against the grain. Now I'm gonna work on this beard part. For the most part, like I said, because I know I'm throwing the dye on, I want to keep some length so that it looks authentic. So first thing first, I'm gonna take his mustache down. I like to put some Cutz liquid razor on there, and what this does, it dries up the skin, dries up the hair, and allows my clippers to cut the hair better. What I like to do when they're getting their beard done is I attack the bottom beard. So with this back of the neck, he's getting a round lineup. Now I'm working on this side of the beard. Now I'm gonna work on his mustache. Now I'm doing the bottom of the lip. Now, with the front lineup, I like to always get these bottom done first. Always start the middle. Start the middle and use that as the guide. Get my straight razor, always a brand new one. Put it in there, right in those grooves. Spray it down. Now, what I like to do is I put shave gel on his skin. First things first, I'm gonna start up here at the top corner, okay? And I'm just going with the grain, coming down. So before I throw the dye on, I'm gonna go around his beard and just trim it with some scissors, because I wanna keep it long, but I don't want it this long. So first things first, I'm just gonna go around the beard and then go up top. And then we're gonna let it settle in, wash it out, and then he's all done. I'm just really going to that lineup. So now I got all the product in. I have a little brush, I water it down. Now I start spreading it. To take away from what you see right here, if you see how like super dark, if I just leave it like that, when it dries, it will dry like that. So this isn't a part that I want to be super dark anyway. If you remember, I just really want this to be dark. This already grows in dark. So I want to lighten this part up. So I'm just simply grabbing the towel and then just blending it out. So once I wash him out, I throw some grease on, and he's good to go. All right, so after a fresh wash, he's fresh, he's ready to go. Thank you, E. All set. Appreciate you, E.
Sir.
My guy.